So today I'm going to bring you through my TikTok shooting. It was actually 15 videos, and all videos were supposed to be between 15 and 20 seconds. It's just girls walking, catwalking with different outfits for a fashion show that's coming up very soon. So today the shooting was pretty fast because I was prepared. I'm gonna share with you the list of everything I had first and how I use them. As gimbal, I have the Crane 3, and for camera I have the Sony a7 III. That's the one I bring for those small shootings. And first of all, the setup for TikTok is always small because TikTok most of the time, like, I just spend almost 5 hours to shoot those 15 videos. So I make sure that I don't bring too much with me. I just bring what I really need with me, because it's pretty much a one-man crew actually. That's the thing. So Crane 3 as gimbal, Sony a7 III for camera, and for lens I have the Sony 50 1.8. I'm sure in the last video you saw what we speak about the 50 1.8 and also the Sigma 35 1.4. But today I decided to go with 50 because when I get close to the model, I didn't want to have her face a little bit distorted, so I make sure that I still have a good lens that can give me a good portrait lens and also a good wide lens. 50 is perfect. It's perfect for that. So beside that, I also have the 360 Insta360. I use it most of the time. It's just because I want to have those behind the scene vibe going on. I want to make sure that every time I'm shooting, I still have that 360 to record what's going on beside. And also to make sure, because the day was pretty sunny. And once it's very sunny, it's very hard to have that nice look at the screen of the camera. So I need to have a screen with me to make sure that the LUT are already inside. So because I'm shooting S-Log2, and the S-Log2 with that sun, how harsh the sun was, I need a screen to make sure that I have a perfect exposure. So that was the reason why I take the screen with me. But when I was shooting, I used to take out the screen. Why? Because every time I want to make a new angle or a new close, a new place, I have to put back the screen on, check the exposure, and if it's perfect, I can take it out, and then I shoot. The reason is because everything on the gimbal, the heavy. I mean, for 1 hour it's fun, but once you're going from 2, 3, 4, it takes a lot of time. So I'm gonna show you some behind the scene, and then I'm gonna explain to you what I did next.
我的背还要停，我的背还要停。
就是那个你
气质那个还是不对。
给说很简走路的那样，跟着是你。OK， 开始。对 ，perfect， 好了。OK， 开始。OK， 再来一次。好，开始。
动的慢，动一个默念一下3、2、1。
So as you can see, it's going pretty well, but it takes too much time to find the location because the sun was pretty harsh and everywhere. So we need to find somewhere with a nice shadow, but not too dark too. And for that, I have to make sure that I keep my eye inside the camera, because even looking from the screen, I'm still not sure about the exposure because the sun was very harsh even on the screen too. So I really have to put my eyes inside and make sure that everything is perfect. And the Sony a7 III is just perfect for that. I don't need to bring another camera to that shooting because the shooting is pretty easy, and I just have to make sure like everything is light because it was supposed to take a lot of time. So as I said before, I shoot in S-Log2, and S-Log2 I like it because it's pretty. There is not much saturation going on, so I can play with it in Premiere Pro pretty easy. So I just take the video, bring inside Premiere Pro, color correction, and edit as fast as I can because I was supposed to send it back 2 days. Like today is Monday, so Wednesday the video was supposed to be sent already, and I did that already. So now just have to export them, and that's it. So I'm gonna give you a look to how the video looks like. What you saw before was the 15 videos, different 15 videos, but now what I did, especially for YouTube, because we are in China now, and in China is more like they put every single video on TikTok, which means like every outfit have to be on TikTok. But what I did, it was more like for Instagram, and by the way, you can follow me on Instagram and for Facebook too. So what I did is like I take, because there was two models, so I just make sure like every time they was walking, I have all the video put in one single video. That is just for me. Of course, the clients will have what they ask for, but for me, I prefer to have that diversity in outfits. I don't like to see the same outfits going back and forth for a very long time. That's why I decided to make two videos separately, because I give them the 15 videos, and I also make two videos for me so I can share with you guys the process of all of that. So I'm gonna give you time to watch those two other videos and that's what I like to make. I make sure that I give the client what they want, because I have my own way to edit stuff. Once a client is asking for something, you cannot make it as you want. You need to make it first as the client wants, and you can make the other parts as you want yourself. So I make what they want, I send to them, and the remaining videos I have, I make my own version too. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more of the behind the scene, following me on my shooting, let me know in the comment down below. I'm gonna be able to make some other videos. So let's catch you guys in the next one.